Hi, it's me again with Corel Doll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. I found out maybe a little bit better way to make it a little better looking. That looks pretty cool. All I did was take a rectangle and make the rectangle 0.05. Took away I made a color, and then I took away the outline, and then I set my duplicate distance on 0.05, and then I just Control D and moved the right arrow key and just kept picking colors and picked a few colors that that might work. And I normally don't use as many colors, but I just did this a couple of times, and I actually kind of cheated. I didn't make just a lot of colors. I made just a few, and then I took these colors and I Control D, and then I just nudged them over to where they met, and then grabbed the whole box again and Control D, and I just nudged it over till they met. Anyway, and I got that one. Looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll do that one. I like that one a little bit better than the one I have. You just don't want a space there. And we'll do one more. Well, we don't need the whole thing. You can grab just part of it. And you could, you can mirror them to make them a little different. But anyway, then what you need to do is Control G and to group that together. And then I grabbed the smear tool and made it pretty big, and I just kind of smeared it in two different directions. And then you maybe can come down and up. And you see we're getting some white, but she actually has white in the background of the dog tag, but I might have gone too far. And then use the twirl tool and just use it pretty big, maybe go in the opposite direction, and you can click on that and go way out here and twirl it. So let's say we're just going to use the center part that looks pretty good. So to do, you could use the white, or you could fill in the rectangle and fill it with another color, and then go up to Effects or Object, Order, Back a Page, and that looks pretty cool. Now to get this to working, like we said in the first video where I did some Control G and grouping that together, she's going to print, or they were going to print, so you could reduce this in size, because you wouldn't actually just print right on the dog tag or dog bone. And we're going to go to Object, Order, put Front of Page so we can see it, and then just select All and go to Intersect, and then that's what the printed dog tag is going to look like. Pretty cool. But you could say printing time if you move this out of the way, and if you select your item, get the crop tool, and you can crop out that amount so you won't be printing too much, overlap, and then just use the intersect tool, and voila. Pretty cool. And you could do a lot of things with this. Before we cropped it, you could have rotated it, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, whatever you want to do. And then bring your dog bone in and select everything. That's kind of the key with the intersect tool. And then you get a totally different look. I truly hope that's what she was asking, and looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And I just happened to notice this. When she sent me the text, this is a rear view mirror placard hanger, and put my name in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.